Hey, today is Sunday and the weather is pretty good. I'm in the Zouden Park, the South Park in The Hague, and I'm going to fly my Mavic Pro with the Android app I developed. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so it's the app. So let's connect to the drone. So you can see now the location is actually at Shenzhen because this is the set location. I'm going to click locate, so it's now in the Southern Park. Let's zoom a bit. First of all, let me okay, so now you can see the camera is working. So I'm gonna add some waypoints. So basically I'm going to let the drone fly to somewhere there. I'm not really sure the direction of the map, or somewhere here or somewhere there, and then go to that way, and then go to that way, and yeah, then come back. So let's just give it a try. This is the first trial. Maybe it doesn't work. Doesn't matter. Okay, so the first locations can be here, and then there, and there. So we have 3 points set. Okay, and then we do the configuration. So the altitude I'm gonna set to let's see, 20 meters. We don't need 20 meters. And speed is gonna be middle. Action after finish is go home. And heading, we're gonna do it RC control. Okay, finish. So waypoint is set, and I think next step is to upload to the drone to the waypoint setting. So I'm gonna click upload. So mission upload successfully. Okay, and I'm going to start recording right now. I'm not going to take pictures, but if I want, I can just click the capture button, and now I'm going to start recording. Okay, now it's starting record video. Okay, so I think I'm gonna click start and it's gonna fly. So let's take a step back, see what happens. Okay, so it should go to 20 meters. I'm going to intervene in case something goes wrong. So it's flying to its first waypoint. You see, it's very accurate actually. So almost to the first waypoint. Maybe I set it a bit too far because now I think it's flying out of the grass that I'm in. So now it's to the second waypoint. So actually it's very accurate. I'm just a bit afraid if it will hit the tree, but let's see. Seems okay so far. Oh, not the tree, not the tree. Oh, okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. So now it's to the third waypoint. Stop, stop. Okay, good, good, good. Now it's time to coming back. It's finished and it's coming back. It's coming back. That's really good. Okay, very slowly it's coming back. Awesome, awesome. This is what we want. Okay, so actually it's already finished. It's already finished, so it's now hovering there. I'm gonna land it. Alright, I'm going to land it. Okay, awesome.